What I wish I knew at age 16 instead of 26. WD-40 is a multi-use miracle for motorcycles. Let me show you how. So, what's WD-40? It's not just a lubricant. It's also a rust protector and grime buster. Imagine cutting your chain cleaning time in half. Just spray WD-40, wipe, and boom! Smooth, shiny, and ready to roll. Next, rust is the enemy. A quick spray on your exhaust or frame keeps that nasty rust away. And those stubborn, greasy spots? WD-40 wipes them clean in seconds, even in tricky places like under the seat. Got stuck bolts? A shot of WD-40 works like magic, making them easy to twist off. Plus, it's a lifesaver for rubber and plastic parts, keeping them flexible and protected. Don't let water ruin your ride. Spray WD-40 on electrical contacts to repel moisture. And for brake dust? Poof! WD-40 makes rims sparkle without damage. Bonus tip: it even removes stickers and protects your fuel tank. So grab that can of WD-40 and give your motorcycle some love. Ride safe and keep those wheels turning smooth.